Hello everyone, this is Jessie from Economical. Today I will show you our new solar street light. This model will have 100 watt, 200 watt, and 300 watt. As you can see, it equips the remote control and it has time control. This is our equipment for installation. This is remote control and the screw bed. This is a complete set. Now I will show you more detail about our solar street light. Our new solar street light uses the 5054 high brightening LED chip and use the top glass. Here is the charging display. As you can see, when we connect the solar panel, it will light up red. And you can see the material of the street light. We use the aluminum material. It is very good material, and the street light can be resistant to temperature. So this is our new solar street light. If you are interested in this model, please feel free to contact us. I will reply you very soon.